Greetings from Källtorp on this sunny Monday, and it's time to go for a swim in the Källtorp lake on this 13th of July 2026. Quick swim in the lake, and very nice spot here in the nature, spontaneous nude beach spot as well. One of the many spots like this in the nature here in Nacka. And yeah, it's a hot day, so all of the public beaches will be probably too busy, as it is summer in Sweden, obviously, and this week is gonna be a hot summer as well. So let's embrace it and get into the water that looks so amazing and so clean, and quite easy to get in from this spot where I am right now. So yeah, Chris is out for a beach adventure and swim here in the lake Källtorp. This is probably my second favorite lake in Stockholm after Flaten. So let's get into it. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's see. Here we have a nice way to get into the water. So then we are ready to go for a swim in Källtorp Lake in 3, 2, 1, let's go! It's so stunning. Just look at the nature. It's so beautiful. So beautiful indeed. Now it is outdoor temperature of 22 degrees Celsius, and in the lake, I'm not really sure, I don't have a thermometer with me, but it's somewhere around 18 degrees based on my gut feeling. There are so many nude beach spots like this along the coast here, especially on the side where it's a bit further from the road that's on the other end when Källtorpssjön is, and it's so amazing indeed. So today I believe it's beach day number 90, and for the weekend I was very far away at the sea, as I'm obviously free for the weekend, but for the weekdays I only get to experience short swims indeed, like this one. Alright, so yeah, let's swim a bit more around and wrap up this vlog from Källtorp, that is. The water is a bit chilly at times when the waves come in from one side of the lake. It still needs to be a bit warmer during the night for the lake to be warm. We still have cold nights compared to the daily temperature. I mean, otherwise 13 degrees during the night is usually quite warm as well. So yeah, that is a wrap from Källtorp and this spontaneous nude beach spot, one of the many in the lake. And take care and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach adventures with Chris.